Project-based learning is learning model under constructivism where students achieve the knowledge by themselves by interacting with their friends and from scaffolding by their teacher. Project-based learning based on pedagogy and cybergogy, since students learn and achieve knowledge with their friends and they utilize technology to support their learning. Project-based learning is believed can promote student critical thinking, collaborative skills, communication skill, and creativity. Students use their critical thinking to analyze and evaluate the material, case, or problem to support their project. Students doing their project in pair or group that push students to use their collaborative and communicative skill. And then since they need to make a project based on their original idea, they need to use their creativity. Okay, so based on that concept, we can conclude that project-based learning is a learning model that engages students in accomplishing project in a group project to improve their knowledge and skills based on case or problems in their professional practice or daily life. Well, what I present today is based on library-based research, by reading, analyzing, and getting data from written form, such as articles and books to find out the implementing of project-based learning in teaching language and to design project-based language teaching or activities or steps to teach English in tertiary level. Okay, so project-based learning is believed to have a high probability to succeeding when used to teach and learn languages, especially English as foreign or as a second language at different levels and contexts. Project-based learning is believed to have, according to social constructivist theory, project-based learning conduct a language learning as a social and dynamic process of learning from student interaction. And this interaction happen when students work together in group to analyze and to discuss the problem and design and create the project. Well, project-based learning integrates language skills when students use the language to negotiate and for in a real life problem and communicate to solve these problems in work group. It is in line with the statement of Imtiaz and Asif 2012 that project-based learning plays an important role in improving student language skill, and also Stoller 2006 that project-based learning provides opportunity for the natural integration of all four skills, such as listening, reading, speaking, and writing. Students use their reading skill to read. Students use their reading skill to read and analyze the materials related to the problem that can promote their critical thinking. And students use their communicative skills such as listening skill and speaking skill in discussing to solve the problems and creating the project. Well, it is in line with Sawamura 2010 that stated activities in group work can motivate students and create positive communication and collaboration as they develop language, content, and critical thinking. Students use their productive skills such as speaking and writing, yeah, to create their project. Besides language skills, the activities in project-based learning also give students to improve their vocabulary and grammar. It is supported by Sukiawati 2021 that stated project-based learning can improve student vocabulary and grammar. So it can be said that project-based learning engages students in activities that improve their language skills and also language component in target language. Well, there are 4 points that must be considered to implement task-based language teaching in order that success and effective. There are kind of project, teaching and learning steps or activities, and also assessment and utilizing technology. In language teaching, project can be done in various ways with various purposes. The project can be as a product, a presentation, or a performance. In improving students' speaking skills, student can be assigned to do project as performing drama, doing online presentation, or presenting products. In improving student writing skill, student can be assigned to do project as creating simple storybook, holiday scrapbooks, and also wall magazine. Well, in short, the project must promote students to actively using their language target. There are some theories about teaching style or activities of project-based learning. Generally, teaching steps of project-based learning consist of project preparation, project finalization, project presentation, and project evaluation. The important is the teaching steps must provide opportunity for students to practice their language that can promote their language skill improvement. Among teaching steps that are proposed by some theorists, teaching steps that are proposed by Patent 2012 are suitable to be implemented in teaching language, because there is exhibition in that steps that proposed by Patent 2012. Well, exhibition of the project allows students to promote their project, go public, such as in a museum, galleries, parks, cafe, community center, and so on. By promoting their project to public, it can be improve their confidence to use the language. Unfortunately, the steps that are proposed by Patent 2012 do not have steps to evaluate student project. So it is better to complete the steps by adding evaluation step in order that teacher can assess students' project and students also can do something like reflection to their project. And it is important to assess the student's project in order to find out student learning progress and also student ability in applying their knowledge and skill in their project. There are 4 aspects that must be considered by the teacher in project-based assessment. Management skills, relevant, originality, innovation, and creativity. So management skills are skills in choosing the topic, searching for information, and managing the time in doing the project. Relevancy is about how combine knowledge, comprehension, and skill to reach the indicators of the required basic competencies. Originality is maintaining the originality of the project by presenting the work. And innovation and creativity are related to how to create something new or unique in doing the project. In assessing project in language teaching, it is better to emphasize the improvement in the language skill of the student. So the way of assessment should be more on relevancy. Here, the teacher will find out how language skill and language components are used, well by the students in the project. And then about utilizing technology, is a very important to implementing project-based language teaching. Based on study that was conducted by Sri Mangkorn 2021, technology support project-based learning to implement it effectively, by utilizing technology. Student can search various materials related to the problem being discussed in internet. And this kind of activities can improve student literacy skill and vocabulary also. Well, so I can conclude that implementing project-based learning in language teaching, can improve student language skill and components. And kinds of project, classroom activities or teaching steps, project assessment, and also the use of technology must be considered in teaching language to project-based learning. Well, to give a clear picture of implementation of task-based language teaching, here we provide teaching and learning design based on teaching step that is proposed by Pattern 2012 with some modification. Well, in this teaching design, evaluation step is added in order to ensure the way to assess students' project. This teaching design is proposed to enhance students' literacy skills, reading and writing. In this teaching design also intended to promote student 21st century skills. They are creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, and communication. Creating original idea for their project can train their creativity. In the group works, students have to discuss, compromise, and negotiate before executing the ideas. And here, students' collaborative, critical thinking, and communicative skill are promoting. Technology is inserted also in this teaching design to encourage students' participation in creating the project and hence enhance students' understanding about the content being learned by the project. Here, the first step is get an idea. Teacher asks students to search material related to argumentative essay in internet. Teacher asks students to read the material. Teacher and student discuss about the argumentative essay. Teacher give example of argumentative essay about bullying. The topic is about bullying. Teacher asks student to analyze argumentative essay about bullying. And teacher and student discuss about the bullying itself. That is the first step. The next step is design the project. So here teacher assigns student to make group, and teacher introduce the topic of the project, that is cyberbullying. Kind of bullying, cyberbullying. Teacher assigns student to promoting anti-bullying by posting argumentative essay in their blog and share poster in their social media, and also upload speech video in their YouTube channel. And the teacher explained the rules also in this step, yeah, to create online argumentative essay, online poster, and speech video. The third step is tune the project. So here students gather material from the internet related to cyberbullying. Students read and analyze materials that they got. Students discuss the information that they got about cyberbullying with their friends in a group. And then students decide technology that they use to finish their project. And the next step is to do the project. So this is the main activity, yeah, of project-based learning. So here students write their argumentative essays, students design their poster, and students create and edit their video. And then next, exhibit the project. So here, yeah, exhibition, yeah. So here, students present their project in the classroom. The student post their argumentative essay in their blogs. Yeah, students share their poster in their social media, and students upload their speech in their YouTube channel. And then the last is evaluation. Yeah, so here the teacher assess student project and student do reflection toward their project. So this is teaching designs based on the pattern. Yeah, how to teach language or English, especially English, using project-based language teaching. Well, in conclusion, yeah, we can say that project-based learning is a learning model that engages students in accomplishing group project to improve their knowledge and skills based on case or problems in their professional practice or daily life. Project-based learning can be implemented to the field of second and also foreign language at different level and contexts. Project-based learning provides learner with opportunities to use language in meaningful and authentic contexts. Kind of project, classroom activities, and also project assessment must be considered in teaching language through project-based learning. Utilizing technology also can be plus point in implementing project-based learning effectively. So that's all that we can share about project-based language teaching. Thank you so much.